Look, guys.
So what do you need for slime, Nunu?
I need this one.
So you need glue, you need some cornstarch, and you need some food coloring.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so what are you putting inside, Noor?
I'm putting this on.
Okay, so you can put the whole bowl. Put all.
That one.
So this is 1 cup of cornstarch.
Yeah, put it.
Okay, put it inside.
Let's put all of it.
You put all of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's put some glue. What is this, Noor?
This is glue.
Glue?
Yeah,
Okay.
I put some.
Okay, that's a lot. Now take the spoon and mix it. Oh, you got some on yourself, Noor. Noor, you got some on your princess dress.
Show me, Mom. I can change it.
Okay, you're gonna change it? Okay, come on, mix, mix, mix.
Mix.
We're gonna add the rest of this. Come on, you have to mix everything, Noor.
Faster. Okay, done.
No, you have to keep mixing until it's all incorporated. Is it ready?
Yeah.
Let's see. No, not yet. You have to keep mixing.
It's too cool, guys. Okay, done.
No, we have to still mix.
Hi, guys.
Okay.
You mean this, Mom?
Okay, so we have to add a little bit more cornstarch to make it a little bit more thicker.
I'm making more that.
No. We just have to mix it now.
Okay. It's wow. Faster. Mommy, I can do it. You got it, Mama.
Yeah, okay, so your hands are gonna get purple though, okay? Wait 1 second, don't touch it yet. Okay, so we put the purple color. Now you have to mix it.
It's good. Wow. A sticky, cool, guys. Sticky. Wow. Cool, guys. Wow. A sticky, cool. Guys, I want to.
Whoa, that's so cool.
It's gonna be. It's cool, guys.
Oh,
My spare, Mama. I get it.
no, it's okay, I'll get it.
Okay. I get the answer. This is so cool, guys. Wow, nice.
Okay, what are you making with the
I'm
slime?
making brother and mom. This is snake.
That's a snake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, your snake. Snake is scary.
What else are you making?
A hat. Graping. No. This is strawberry, Mama.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is apple on the grape. Let's put it in the freezer, Mama.
You want to put it in the freezer?
Yeah. Whoa, nice. Wow, it's cool, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. So, bye. Mwah.